Alrighty, good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Wow, I didn't expect to see this today. I thought we'd see more consolidation type trade. You know, maybe this rally is part of a bigger consolidation. You know, we did make higher highs by a little bit, but then we came right back into the range. I think we need to see a retest of those lows from last night, the 130, 102 plus level in the 10-year. Tough count. I think we might have finished the top of the third wave with that sort of fifth wave and then bam, right back into the range. Either way, I think the market is looking to consolidate and go back and retest those lows. I don't want to fight it too much. I'm certainly not putting on any kind of big short positions here. I want to see what happens down around those lows, or if I see some kind of a really screaming sell signal, which we haven't seen in a week. So I'm leaning in that direction. I'm looking for dips back towards those lows from last night. I don't know if we could do it tonight. We did see some selling out of Asia last night, and then the hedge funds came in covering shorts on the London Open. Got to look at those commitment of traders data, guys. The whole thing flipped last week. Remember how the dealers had been short going into the refunding, and the hedge funds were long. Well, last Tuesday's data, I wish this stuff would come out sooner. Unfortunately, it doesn't. But we get it Friday, late Friday, and we see that all of a sudden the dealers are long, the hedge funds are short, and it explains the big rally in the market. Beyond just, you know, the seasonal tendencies of the refunding auction to mark some kind of a low. So now we've got this rally going on. At the moment, I don't think we're done with it. I want to see some more kind of sideways to higher type trade, I think, over the next week. We don't have any auctions. I think we have a tips auction Thursday, no big deal. And the Fed's buying every day. I'm looking for some kind of a dip here. That's my main focus right now. We could have finished the third wave at today's highs. It's not clear yet. Let's see what happens on some kind of a pullback. Look for buy signals down around last night's lows. And I think if we get back up towards today's highs and you see some kind of a blatant sell signal, you could jump on that for a tight kind of scalp trade. But be careful with the short trades. A lot of headline risks. These moves are all being driven by this nonsense out of Europe. The most dysfunctional, disorganized bunch of morons I've seen in quite a long time. So be careful. Trading pretty small here. Want to buy the dips. Again, watched last night's lows. Haven't seen any kind of real bearish signs. The one sign that we did see, the market, somebody probably got wind of this headline about the ECB this afternoon standing by to provide liquidity to Cyprus within the rules. The market started selling off. The 10 years took out, you know, that 18 plus level. Went all the way back down to what, 14 plus, and held there. So look for tests of these support levels. See you, Hags. Look for tests of these support levels and try the longs from that area as my main focus here, because I think if we finish the third wave today, that means we get a correction and then we get another higher high. And I think the higher highs are going to be focusing later this week towards that gap that we left on the rollover a couple weeks ago. So. Okay, I'm out again tomorrow, guys. Sorry. I'll get up the morning email. I might be back in time for the close or, you know, the afternoon video. We'll have to play that by ear. I don't know how long this stuff is going to take. So have a great night. Be careful.